This is a Yamaha Fascio 2024 model matte orange. Una, tingnan natin ang kanyang total mileage. And it reads 7,764 kilometers. Yung unit medyo madumi. Sabi ko nga, madungis, dugyot, but not to worry because syempre, i-detail natin yan through washing and buffing and maybe polishing. May mga deep scratches dun sa kanyang fairings, but we will do our best na kung kailangan talagang palitan, we will do so. Tatanggalan din natin siya ng mga stickers na dinikit ng mga previous owners. I had the chance to road test. Wala naman akong naramdaman na instability sa kanya. Yung kanyang mga gulong, maganda ang shape, all stock. Yung kanyang engine, never pang nagalaw, walang signs ng pihit. Even dito sa kanyang CVT, mukhang hindi pa nabuksan. So we are going to do CVT cleaning. Looking at the mags, both front and rear, wala kaming nakitang bengkong. Yung kanyang shock dito sa likod, walang kalawang, mukhang hindi na overload, but this is stock and walang tagas. Dito sa harapan, pag pinlay mo yung shock, it's a typical Fascio and malambot. Maganda rin naman yung kanyang play. Pero gagawin natin syempre yung standard. Lahat ng suspensions, basta galing sa EV Moto, it must follow our high quality standards. So itotono na rin natin yan. Kanyang brake, okay. Okay dito. Then again, meron lang siyang mga scratches around the fairings which is typical sa isang repo or second-hand na unit. Dito naman sa kanyang brakes, siguro sa previous owner na ihian ng aso, so kinakalawang dito sa area na to. But ipapalinis naman natin yan. Makapal naman yung disc, so no need to replace yet. Yung kanyang brake pad, I can see that it's around 75% okay pa. Yung kulay ng kanyang brake fluid, malinaw. Wala rin siyang sign ng drop, accident, gas-gas, left and right. Everything works. Pagdating dun sa kanyang electricals, I only suspect na yung battery niya needs some charging or maybe a replacement. Masyadong mababa yung kanyang mileage para masida yung battery, but we'll take a close look at that. Since nagkaroon nga ako ng chance na i-road test ng matagal-tagal itong motor na to, listening at the engine sounds, everything seems to be perfect. All stock and I believe na hindi pa ito nagalaw. After all the tender loving care na gagawin namin dito sa motor na to, it will be available at only 80,000 pesos. Pero don't worry because ito ay negotiable upon viewing.